Hello children, myself Manoj Kumar. Today once again I am going to start the topic division of part 4. In the previous parts, part 1, 2 and the 3, we have already discussed about the some topic related to the division. But in this video we shall discuss about the some more topics. First, division using multiplication table, long division method, and the second division without a remainder using division method. And after that, we shall discuss about the exercise 28 and the 29, which is based on the topic first and the second. Now, here is the first topic, division using multiplication table. Let us take an example to understand this type of the division. Here is the word multiplication table. In this way, uh, we shall use the multiplication table to divide the any numbers. Now here is the 54 as a dividend and the 9 as a divisor. First we arrange the numeral as the shown here with here write the 54 as a dividend and 9 as the divisor. Recite the multiplication table 9 till you come to 54. Recite the table. Now start 9 1 ja 9, 9 2 ja 18, 9 3 ja 36, 9 4 ja 9 3 ja 27, 9 4 ja 36, and 9 5 ja 45, and 9 6 ja 54. Now 9 goes into 54 6 times. Now quotient will be 6. Now write the quotient as a 6. Write the quotient about the dividend as shown. Now 9 into 6 is equal to 54. When we multiply divisor into quotient, we get the dividend as a 54. Now write 54 below the dividend and subtract 54 minus 54, and now we get the 0. Thus we get 0 as the remainder. Now 54 divided by 9, we get the 6 as a quotient. Here dividend is equal to 54, divisor is equal to 9, and the remainder is equal to 0. Students, if you want to check the result, then by using the formula divisor into quotient is equal to dividend, when we put the value as a divisor is equal to 9 and the quotient is equal to 6, or when we multiply 9 into 6, we get the 54, and 54 is also the dividend. So our answer will be correct. Now there is the second method, division without a remainder using in long division method. Divide 96 by the 3. Now here is the two digit number. When we divide 3 to 96, first we choose the first number, and the first number is greater than the 3. So we divide the 3 to 9 and then recite the table 3 up to 9. Now 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9. Now write the 9 under this 9, and now when we subtract 9 minus 9, we get the 0. And now write the number 6 here, and now write the and now recite the table 3 2, 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6. Right under the 6, or when we subtract 6 minus 6, we get the 0. Now there is no number after the 6, so our uh, our division will be stopped. And now in this way we get the dividend is equal to 96, divisor is equal to 3, and the remainder is equal to 0. And now if you want to once again check your result, then when we multiply divisor into quotient, we should uh, get the 96 as the dividend, and now here is the 3 as a divisor, and 32 is the quotient. When we multiply 3 into 32, okay children, when we multiply 3 into 32 multiply into 3, we get the 96, and now this is the 96 is equal to the dividend. Now in this way we can say that the our answer as a quotient and the remainder is correct. Now we go to the next examples to understand this type of the questions. Here is the 4-digit number. Now arrange this number in this way, and now 2 as a divisor. Now when we divide 2 to the first number, 2 4 is 8, and now write the 8 under the 2 into 4 times here. 8 minus 8 we get the 0, and the next number 4 is right down here. And now 2 to the 4, recite the table. 2 1 ja 2, 2 to the 4, we get the 4. Now write the 4 under the 4, we get the 0 as a remainder. And now next number is the 6 right here. And now 2 3 is 6, and now 3, write the 3 as a quotient is here. Now 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. And now this is the last number of your dividend, that is the ones place digit. Now write is here 2, and now when we divide 2 to this 2, 2 1 ja 2, write is here. And now uh, we here we see that the remainder is 0, and there is no number after the 2 as a dividend, so our division will be stopped. Now in this way we can find the divisor is equal to 2 and the dividend is equal to 8462. And now quotient, what is the quotient is here? 4231. Now children, in this way we can find the 2 as the divisor. 4231 is the quotient. When we multiply divisor to the quotient, we get the 8462. Now in this way we can check the result. From this two situation, we will try to understand the exercise 28. Now here are the question number 1 to 24. Now let us take the question number 1. Find the quotient. 21 divided by the 3. We know that when we recite the table from 3, 3 7 ja 21. Now write the 21 under this 21. Now when we subtract it, we get the 0. Now there is no number after the 21. So our division is stopped, will be stopped. Now in this way we get the quotient as a 7. And now when we divide the 7 to the 63, in this way we get the 9. And now 6 to 36, we get the 36 as a, and it means 6 as a quotient. Now there is a word problem from the question number 17. A man gives 12 bananas to the 4 monkey equally. How many bananas does each monkey get? Now here is the total number of the bananas is equal to 12, and how many monkeys are there? 4. Each monkey gets each monkey gets bananas is equal to 12 divided by 4, we get the 3 as the quotient. Now here is the question number 20. Pinky has the 28 banana toys. She puts them equally in the 7 box. How many toys are there in each box? Now Pinky has toys is equal to 28. Now in this way, here is the question number 20. Pinky has the 28 toys. She puts them equally in the 7 box. How many toys are there in each box? Now Pinky has the toys is equal to 28. Number of boxes are here 7. Now children, number of boys toys in each box. How many toys comes in the box? 1 box. Now for this purpose, we will divide it 28 to 7. We get the 4 as a quotient, and this is the we will how many toys are in each box? 4. Okay. Now question number 22. A vegetable seller has 24 kg of tomatoes. 6 men came and bought equal quantities of the tomatoes. How much tomatoes did each man buy? Now, according to this question, how much tomatoes a vegetable seller has? A vegetable seller has tomatoes is equal to 24 kgs, and the number of the number of men came to buy equal quantities of the tomato is equal to 6. It means number of the men is equal to 6. And now to divide the 24 kg into the 6 men, for this we shall divide 24 by 6. 6 4 ja 24. Now each man buys tomatoes is equal to 4 kg. Okay. Now question number 24. Anu takes 4 minutes to take 1 chapatis. Make 1 chapati. How many chapatis will she make in the 32 minutes? Here is the questions. Anu required 4 minutes to make the 1 chapati. Chapati means roti. How many chapatis will she make in the 32 minutes? In the 32 minutes, in 4 minutes, Anu makes chapati is equal to 1. In 32 minutes, Anu makes the chapati is equal to 8. It means number of 8 chapatis will be and and the number of chapatis is equal to 8, which is made by the Anu in the 32 minutes. And now we go to the exercise 29. Divide and find the quotient. This is the same questions we have already discussed, this type of the questions. Now when we divide 3 to the 36, here is the 36, 3 1 ja 3. When we write the divide, subtract 3 minus 3, we get the 0, and write the 6 here, and now 3 to the 6, and we get the 0, and there is no number after the 6, so our answer will be 12 as a quotient here. Now when we divide 4 to 408. Now 4 to 408, 4 1 ja 4. We get the 0 as a remainder, and now write the here 0 is here. Now there is no division to 0, so we get the 8, and now write the 0 is here, and 4 to the 8. Now in this way 102 is the quotient. Okay children, thank you for watching my video. I hope that you understand this type of the division and the exercise. Now in the next video we will discuss the some topic, more some topics which is related to the division. Okay, thank you.